Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to code in Sololearn. So, in order to code on Sololearn, first of all, navigate to the Sololearn application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you'll have to first of all click on the create icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, when you click on create icon, you will see various code of people appearing here. You can click on any code and view other people's code. Now, in order to code yourself, you'll have to just click on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, you will have to choose a language with which you want to code. So, I will choose Python for example. Now, I'll have to just type in my code and I'll be easily able to code in the Sololearn app. Now, I can click on the three-dotted icon at the top, save this code, reset this code, choose the font size. You can save this code as another file, or you can click on the share icon and save it, then share this code with people you want. So that is the simple way to code in Sololearn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.